So, hello, I'm a constable. This is my Econ 201A test part 2. Here is the prompt for step 1, and it's making an AE curve, and then therefore making an aggregate demand curve. We first start with making the consumption function that starts above 0 and impacts the 45-degree line about right here. And our planned investment, our planned government purchases, and our net exports are all consistent and forward-thinking. And so we just add those to get our AE model, which has equilibrium and impacts the 45-degree line at $18 trillion, and therefore we get our first aggregate demand curve that we draw that way, downward sloping. And so problem 1, part 2 is this. It's the same thing with these investment, government purchases, and net exports all being consistent, but consumption is changed. And so here's our new consumption function that shifts upward 6.2 trillion instead of $6 trillion and impacts a bit higher this 45-degree reference line. And this is the $19 trillion that is now what our equilibrium point is. And so here we see that the long-run aggregate supply we are given is 18.5, but we are currently going and processing a short-run aggregate supply is right here at $18 trillion, and we need it to be impacting this mark right here. And the problem tells us that we can't do anything to impact long-run aggregate supply or short-run aggregate supply, but we can impact is increase our aggregate demand. We can do that by raising wages for people to buy more things, and therefore the economy will grow that way and reach equilibrium because it wants to go that way. And then on the back side, we see here from this that our multiplier is going to be 4 minus MPC divided by, or 1, yeah, this is going to be 4 from this grouping here. And we moved up here from 18 to 18.5 by $500 billion. So times 4 is going to give us 2 trillion. Therefore, the consumption function is going to be moved up to 8 instead of $6 trillion plus 0.75 MPC times disposable income. And the new price level is going to be greater than 249, and our new equilibrium is going to be $20 trillion.